Okay, welcome to this complete roadmap of face recognition system project. If you want to make this project, you are in very right place. I have made kind of several related projects. I have created this project to identify only one user where it should identify me and another person is unauthorized. Then 2 users where there are 2 authorized persons. Then I have applied it for 3 users. And finally, I have made advanced face recognition system where it should predict 4 users. And I have used pre-trained classifier. I used OpenCV, then deep learning. I have implemented my project in GUI. I have chosen to make face recognition system in my final year project, and I did it. It was very good experience. Let me share this to you. This is the project that I made. I have to give username and password to enter to next window. Here, if I want to collect images of user, I have to give user ID and then I need to click this start button. Using this, I have collected so many images. Let me show it to you. This is the images that I use for training and testing purpose. And another, I have extra images. I will predict these images in just a second. When I click this button, it should predict that extra images. I have collected several different images like blur, person wearing glass, and I have found my model working well. But one important point I want to mention is we have to use our best time to collect images. If you want to make your project really working very nice, you have to give more time in collecting images. You need to collect images in different environment and different time. I can click on this name to pronounce that.
Ishwa. Sorry, your name is not in our dataset. Dwas.
This is some extra stuff. Now there are 3 buttons. If I click this first button, it will display the working flow of this project. How I made this project, blah blah blah. Let me close this. I have captured one video of me and my friend and I am passing that video to my model. Let's see how much correct my model will predict when I click this button. It is predicting almost all frame correctly. I have another last button. I need to connect my camera, leave it. I have made several videos on this if you want to watch more. I have learned from my mistake. I have collected images in different environment in different time. I can't meet my friend to collect their images as there was lockdown due to COVID-19. So what I did is I have collected the images from the video my friends had sent to me. They sent me their different video every day and this is how I managed to collect images. In this series, I am collecting all images at the same time to make you understand how to collect images. You have to give your most time in collecting images because other coding part you will learn from this series very easily. It is not that much hard to make face recognition system. I hope you are very exciting to make this project. So all the best. There are several videos on this project. If you will get any problem in making this project, ask me in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. This much for this roadmap and demo of face recognition system. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel IG Tech Team. I will meet you soon. Stay safe and keep learning.